So this is a huge week for crypto. It is a massive week, okay? Because we have really one major thing out there, and that is the Federal Reserve. What are they going to do or not do related to raising the Federal Reserve base interest rate? Okay, so here's how this matters to crypto. If the Federal Reserve, well, let me back up. The Federal Reserve is going to meet on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. Number one. Number two, it is expected that they are going to raise the base interest rate 50 points. Excuse me. That's the expectation. Okay. If they do raise it 50 basis points, then I don't really expect anything major positive or negative to happen to crypto if they basically do what everybody kind of expects them to do. Because I think that at the end of the day, the current state of the union with crypto, where we're at with, like 1.78, $1.8 trillion market cap, just kind of this gradual 1 or 2% down thing every single day, that has been a wait and see mentality from across the entire crypto market, from I think smart money, whales, institutional money, to you and I, retail investors, period. Okay, we are simply holding our breath. Okay, I think collectively we are holding our breath, waiting to see what the Federal Reserve does. So yes, this matters to crypto. What the Federal does or does not do absolutely impacts crypto. So just if you didn't think it does, it does. Okay. Here's the positive side of this. There has been rumors and speculation, and there's been kind of all of this, some content swirling the fact that if the Federal Reserve on Tuesday or Wednesday, when they do issue what their official, what they're going to do, that if they raise the rate only 25 basis points, that is going to be a major positive catalyst for crypto. Bottom line, it's going to turn crypto green. And I think crypto will take off, and it will take off like a rocket. Okay. There's one other scenario that I have read and that I've seen that could happen. It is entirely possible that the Federal Reserve doesn't raise it at all. So instead of 50 basis points or 25 basis points, which 25 is the good one, right? If they do that, then I think we're still going to get a good, really nice, takeoff in crypto. But there's been rumors and speculation that they may even not raise the rate at all. Why, Austin, you may be asking? Lots of things, but at the end of the day, Russia-Ukraine war, price of oil that impacts the price of gas, meaning everything going up, and that ultimately the price of fuel rising because of the price of the base oil, of a barrel of oil is going up, that if fuel goes up, it's going to start permeating and impacting everything else, right? It will, okay? It will start, all of our, it will cost more to go to the grocery store because it will have cost more money in fuel and to move the food and move everything, and, and production costs, all of that is in the process of working its way through right now, the supply chain. Okay, because of the Russia-Ukraine war, oil has gone up. And so it is entirely possible that in a nod to continue to try to stimulate the overall economy, that the Fed may not raise the interest rate. And if they don't raise the interest rate, I firmly believe that crypto is just going to take off and explode even more than a rocket. Okay, Tuesday or Wednesday. I could be completely off here, but that is what I am seeing. That's what people that are extremely smart, that I pay attention to, are saying. And these are all things that are there. Okay. Finally, within this, it's going to be a huge week for crypto. Discussion is Russia-Ukraine. What are they going to do? What are they not going to do? This is in addition or outside or parallel to this Federal Reserve scenario. If the Federal Reserve does or doesn't do their thing, but if something really horrific happens with the Russia-Ukraine war, if Russia does something really bad, like do a chemical strike or something like that, it will not, outside of the human tragedy that is, and the horrificness of that, which is appalling, and please, I hope that doesn't happen, if you put that and go, all right, I'm acknowledging that, but if you look at the impact that something like that might happen on the stock market and or crypto market, we will see as well. I just saw that. That's bugging me. We'll see. And that's not a good thing. Okay. So we have to keep our eye on Russia and, the Russia-Ukraine war. If we get any positive movement outside of the Russia-Ukraine war, like if it starts to look like there's maybe some signals that Russia is open to peace discussions, that will again be viewed as an extremely positive catalyst. So you can see, to wrap up, that we have all of these things, these outside macro events that are potentially going to impact crypto positively or negatively, and we have to just wait and see where we're at with all of those. Okay, so at the end of the day, that's where it is. Sorry about that, and we'll see how it all plays out. All right, with all that said, truly, sincerely, thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate you. Stick around, watch some more content. I'll always be here. Have a good one. See you.